Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage you can send you a message on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. TikTok offers user the ability to connect with friends and fans to a variety of ways. From creating videos, leaving comments, or sending a direct message, you can have several choices when it comes to communicating. Direct message you have can be a great way to interact privately with one of your friends or followers, but it's important to note that there are several options for organizing, controlling, and managing who can send you private message. So you can enable or update your DM settings at any time to stay in control of who can communicate with you privately. So here's how to manage. I will show you. So first of all, of course, how to open our TikTok. Now you can just go to your profile by tap on the up bottom right here. You can go to settings by tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on privacy. You can just scroll down. On the interaction section, there is an option direct message. And here, you can manage. By default, your direct message, everyone on TikTok can send you message. But you can manage it for your direct message. You can choose if you only one your suggested friend can send you a message, you can just choose on suggested friends, or you just want your friends, so people who follow and following you back can send you a message, you can just choose on friends. But if you don't want anyone can send you a message, you can just choose on no one. So no one can send you DM or message to your TikTok. For example, I will just choose on friends, so only my friends, people who will follow me and I'm following them back who can send me a message. So simple, right? So that is how to manage who can send you a message on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.